If you're ready to sculpt a strong, gorgeous back, then I have got you covered. Today we're diving into a low-impact strength training workout that'll have your back muscles working overtime in all the right ways. We've got 4 killer exercises that'll target every major muscle group in your back, all while keeping the impact low and the gains high. Today we're going to be doing 3 sets of 10 reps for each exercise, focusing on slow, controlled movements. Let's go! First up, we have the bent over row. This bad boy targets your lats, rhomboids, and rear delt. You can do this with a barbell, dumbbells, bands, and so much more. Today, I'm going to be using a barbell on my Oxfit. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your knees slightly bent. Hinge at the hips, keeping your back straight and your neck in a neutral position. Grab the barbell with an overhand grip, hands just outside your legs or at a position that is comfortable for you. Pull the bar up to your lower chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top of the movement. And then, lower the bar slowly to return to your starting position. Keep that going until you've completed 3 sets with 10 reps per set. Remember to keep your core tight and do not round your back. We're building muscles, not injuries. Next up is the standing row. This one is fantastic for your upper back and your biceps. You can do this with a bar, handles, bands, and so much more. Today, I'll be using a bar. Let's break it down. For this movement, you're going to stand upright with your feet shoulder width apart. Hold the bar at arm's length, keeping your arms parallel to the ground. Slowly pull the bar toward your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades at the top of the movement, and then slowly return the bar to the starting position with a controlled movement. Keep that going until you've completed all 3 sets with 10 reps per set. Remember, we are increasing the weight with each set. Challenge those muscles, girl.
Message deleted.
Next, it's time for some lat action with the reverse grip lat pulldown. This movement is fantastic for building width in your back. Here's how to do it. Sit at the lat pulldown machine, making sure your hips are facing forward and your booty is making full contact with the seat. Grab the bar with an underhand grip, hands shoulder width apart. Pull the bar down to your upper chest, leading with your elbows. Squeeze your lats at the bottom, and then slowly return to the starting position. Keep that going for 3 sets with 10 reps per set. This reverse grip really targets those lats, giving you that beautiful coveted V-taper look. Remember to keep your shoulders back and down and your core engaged. No arching backs here. Last but not least, we have the single arm lat pull down. This unilateral exercise helps balance out any strength differences between sides and really stretches the lats. Here's how to do it. Attach 2 handles to the cable machine and sit with your hips facing forward and your booty making full contact with your seat. Reach across and grab the left handle with your right hand, slightly rotating your torso and elongating your right lat. Pull the handle down and across, aiming for your right upper chest, squeezing your lat at the bottom of the movement, and then slowly returning to the starting position. Complete all the reps on one side, and then switch over to the left. We'll do 3 sets of this, with 10 reps on the right side and 10 reps on the left. Don't forget to keep your core engaged throughout this movement. The other thing to pay attention to is your hips and your booty. Make sure your hips are facing forward and your booty is making full contact with the seat at all times. Lifting your hips and booty will reduce the amount of engagement in your lats, and we definitely don't want that. Remember, we're gradually increasing the weight with each set. Challenge yourself, but always maintain proper form. I love a good back workout. It has to be one of my favorite things to work out. This workout is so effective because first off, the low rep range with heavier weights really helps to build strength and muscle mass. The slow, controlled movements increase time under tension, which is crucial for muscle growth. Plus, by focusing on proper form and controlled movements, we're reducing the risk of injury while still getting an intense workout. This is win-win in my book. And that is our workout today, my beautiful friend. A low-impact, high-results back workout that will have you feeling strong and looking sculpted. Comment down below and let me know which exercise is your favorite. I love hearing from you. If you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you did, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, you subscribe, and you click that notification bell because all of that really supports my channel and it means the world to me. I will see you next time.